sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Beth, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm taking this cotton fabric that has a very loose weave, and I'll be making some napkins. It is not the right kind of fabric to use for a quilt because that weave is so loose, but I think it'll be great for some cloth napkins to use in the kitchen. The first thing I did was I gave myself a straight edge, and then I cut my fabric into squares that are 14 inches. Took the squares to my ironing board, and I'm going to be pressing down all of the raw edges about 1/2 inch. For each corner, I will be folding my cloth napkin, matching up those pressed edges so that I have a sort of a triangle shape on the corner of my napkin here. I'll be using that fold as my straight edge, the fold through the center of the napkin, and I'm going to put my ruler 1 inch away from the edge that was pressed, and I'll draw a pencil or a pen line using the fold as my straight line, and then drawing that line up to that edge that I have pressed. After I had all my lines marked, I went to my sewing machine, and I'll be putting a seam right along that line that's marked on the napkin. After putting all of those seams in, I clipped away that excess fabric, and now I'll be turning my napkin right side out on all 4 points, and as you can see, it creates a very nice corner. And now all I need to do is press the edge again. The raw edge is on the inside, and I can top stitch all the way around my napkin. I was able to make quite a few napkins from my thrifted piece of cotton fabric that wasn't quite right for a quilt, but it's perfect for this project. I pressed my napkins after finishing, and now they are ready to go. Thanks for joining me today for this really easy, fun project, and I'll see you next time.